What's the meaning of bulimia nervosa? Bulimia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa.
Bulimia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa is an eating disorder characterized by recurrent episodes of binge eating followed by behaviors aimed at compensating for the excess food intake, such as self-induced vomiting, laxative abuse, or excessive exercise. The result can be a range of physical and psychological complications, including electrolyte imbalances, gastrointestinal problems, dental issues, menstrual irregularities, depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. If left untreated, bulimia nervosa can lead to life-threatening conditions such as dehydration, heart problems, and even suicide. It is important for individuals with bulimia nervosa to seek professional help as early as possible to achieve full recovery.